Welcome to Regroup Technology, your go-to destination for expert insights into technical content creation. Today, we're delving deep into the world of ANSYS software and uncovering the secrets to crafting engaging and informative content in this specialized field. Whether you're an engineer seeking to enhance your communication skills or a content creator aiming to cater to the needs of engineering enthusiasts, understanding your audience is key. Engineers, researchers, and students who utilize ANSYS software crave content that simplifies complex concepts while retaining technical accuracy. ANSYS, a powerful simulation software suite, is widely used across diverse engineering disciplines. From structural analysis to fluid dynamic simulations, ANSYS empowers engineers to tackle complex IT challenges with confidence. Finite element analysis dissects structures into manageable elements, predicting behavior under stress. Computational fluid dynamics, CFD, analyzes fluid flow and heat transfer through digital simulation. Mesh generation creates grids to discretize domains, facilitating precise calculations in both FEA and CFD simulations. ANSYS software transforms engineering design with practical prowess. Witness its impact. Analyze stress distribution in mechanical components for optimal durability. Simulate thermal behavior in electronic devices to enhance performance and reliability. And predict fluid flow patterns in aerospace engineering, shaping the future of flight dynamics and efficiency. Here are some writing techniques for you to excel in technical writing using ANSYS software. Navigate the intricacies of technical content in the ANSYS domain with finesse. Prioritize clarity and conciseness, sidestepping jargon overload to ensure accessibility for all audiences. Structure content meticulously, integrating visuals and diagrams strategically to bolster comprehension. By combining precision with simplicity, you illuminate complex concepts, empowering readers to engage deeply with ANSYS software's transformative potential. In the fast-paced world of ANSYS, content creators grapple with staying abreast of software advancements while ensuring their content remains accessible. Engaging with the ANSYS community fosters knowledge exchange and keeps creators informed. Additionally, consistent practice and refinement of writing skills are vital for striking the delicate balance between technical depth and readability. For those eager to expand their ANSYS expertise, a plethora of resources await. Engage in discussions on forums like ANSYS Student Community to stay abreast of the latest developments. Above all, you can develop ANSYS expertise with us as well. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enriching content from Regroup Technology.